So as we are standing here, let's just take a look at the handle position. So you can see we have clip-on handlebars. All the instrument console, this markings are all backlit. Instrument console is semi-digital analog, so RPM is analog and the speed is digital. You can also see the fuel meter, side stand indicator and odometer there. That's all, there is nothing else here, and these are all the other controls. Mirror position you can see is slightly different compared to other bikes. This is a half-fed bike, so you can see the mirror position is on the visor. It gives pretty good visibility. And now the signal is green, so we'll go ahead. Tank definitely feels big and you get a feeling of a big bike, but one thing is that the position is really comfortable. Seats are also nice and soft, so you won't have trouble riding this bike. Okay. New bikes. Thank you, sir.